You guys, welcome to Yoga with Esther, Sunshine Yoga. Today I'm just going to show you guys some fitness hacks, some yoga hacks that you guys can just incorporate into your everyday life. So, folding laundry. Get yourself a pillow, sit on your pillow, and you can grab some laundry. And while you're doing laundry, you can just make sure that you're sitting upright, spine straight. You can also come into the V stance. Folding the laundry. This is the beach towel. And that's one just hack you can do. Okay. I have props. I'm baking. So say, you're baking, you're washing the dishes. Just put a rolled up towel wherever you're standing and literally just bring the heel to the floor and the ball of your foot to the towel and give yourself a nice stretch here. I don't know how to cook. And I'm washing my dishes and I'm doing my thing. Oh, I'm brushing my teeth in my apron. Okay. So, this one's just you're watching TV, you got a pillow, and you can do a nice balancing pose. So, ground down through your foot, and the pillow adds a nice, just aid to helping you stabilize yourself, or unstabilize yourself so you can work on your stabilizers. Ooh. So stay here for as long as you can. Don't let it hurt. And of course, don't forget to do the other side. One of my favorite ones to do, and I'm always doing this in line, like at the grocery store, is just coming up on your toes. So, literally, you're pushing your grocery cart up, and you're waiting in line, up, down, make sure your core's tight, everything's tucked. And how much fun is this? Grocery shopping. The next one is just, hey, you're up in the morning, you might as well work on your balance a little bit. Brushing your teeth. I don't know, I have one of those sonic hairs that, I'm still doing it, that, measures your time. So, 2 minutes, 1 minute each side. And let's see what else I have here. Oh yeah, this is a cool one. Hey, let's walk to get the mail, or walk anywhere. Just walk from heel to toe. You'd be surprised on how much balance this actually takes. There goes Esther, getting her mail, like a crazy person. So just to recap, doing your laundry, have a seated stretch. Any seated stretch. Place a roll of towel wherever you decide to stand. And give yourself a nice little stretch. Oh, this actually feels really good. Work on your balance with the pillow. And you can, take any variation you want. But the destabilization of the pillow really helps with your stabilizer muscles. And pushing the grocery cart. Up and down. Up and down. Waiting in line. Social distancing. Up and the great thing about these is people might stay away from you because you're like up and down, you know? And I always like to say the slower the better, but also walking to get your mail. Crazy as, hello, mailman. It's taking me 20 minutes to get my mail. I don't have anything better to do. So these are just some fitness yoga hacks that you can blend into your day. Also, set an alarm like every hour. Literally, I have one. It's really annoying. Just take a deep breath. So let's just finish this out with some deep breaths. So put your hands on your stomach. We're going to do 3 of them. Those deep diaphragm breathing exercises. Inhale. Belly fills up with air. Exhale. For 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, yeah. Enjoy looking like a crazy person, like I usually do when I'm out in public. Because, you know, if you get bored, you can always take 20 minutes to walk to the any place. That's a very short distance. Okay, love you guys. Bye.